Hey scholars, Mr. Byrne here. This is a tutorial on how to scan your Arizona Highways images for your presentation. So you'll find this bin. It is full of old Arizona Highway magazines. And you can go through and choose pretty much any of the ones that you want. We're going to choose this one here. And we're going to choose, this spread should look familiar because this was the one that we demonstrated earlier in the examples. And we have lots of two-page spreads in here. So we're going to go over how to scan these images and then how to actually apply them to your project. So the first step is you're going to choose a project, choose a magazine. And so here we go here, just kind of showing you some of the examples. All right, the dramatic skies of Arizona. So we need to get all of these into a digital format to use for our presentation. So step one, choose a magazine and choose a spread with a minimum of 2 images. So make sure you get those in there. You're going to need your SD card. All right, you will then take your SD card, just like this, and on the side of the scanner here, you'll notice a slot that says SD XDMS. So SD, this is where your SD card goes. Label out. It will slide right in just like that, and you'll notice it says something there on the screen. Okay, so we have some options here. We're going to keep this as simple as possible. We have scan, which is right over here at the very end one. And we have scan and start scan. So let's start with scan. And then on our screen here, we have some options. We want to scan to memory card. So, okay. We want to choose the format. And we want to choose JPEG. There we go. So once we've done that, we're going to place our images onto the screen here. So on this one, you'll notice that there's a little tiny arrow at the very top there, right there. So we're going to place this face down. Close the lid just like that. There we go. And then we are going to come over here and press the start scan button, which is right there. And it will scan our images in. So I'm going to actually scan both sides of this, put them into a digital format, and then put them into Photoshop and crop them down. So this is part 1 of the video. So play this, and then you can play part 2 on how to edit them. So see you in just a second.